I think it's recording. I think it's recording now.
Yeah, the light is, I think so.
Yeah, so. About to install the K-Tune quick release hood hinges on the RSX. It's pretty much simple. I mean, it's not that hard. You just need well, the smart way of doing it, we already removed the hood, so it'd be easier if you do that. And where's the 10? You got a longer one, bro? An extension. So first we wanna, I mean, if your car's not apart, obviously you just wanna take off the hood off this, and then we're gonna need to remove this bracket. So if you don't have your fender off, you'll probably have to take off the cowl so you can reach this back bolt. Yeah, I need an extension. It's an extension. Oh, it's longer.
That one is longer.
Let me see. So these are 10 millimeters bolts.
Longer, that good.
Should be good.
That's 10?
Yeah, it's a 10. It's because the paint. You don't got like a hammers. Let me get mine in my car. So it might be hard because if you guys have it painted. Now hold on, I'm gonna do it. So we show them. We're gonna reuse these bolts. Should come off. Nah, it's the paint.
Yeah, you want it. The paste?
Alright, so onto this side. So like I said, if you don't have your fenders off, you're probably gonna have to remove the cowl, but since he already has his fenders on, it's easier. Alright, so this side. No. Yeah. Where's the other one? Nah, this side is that side. This is this side. So now we just reuse the same bolts.
That should look right there because it'll go in between that. Should it goes up.
Nah, that'll be in. Might have to cut this.
Nah, that's fine.
It's gonna be in the way.
That's alright. It don't matter.
you don't want to tighten it right away because you're gonna need to adjust the hood. And take this one off. Pull it up. Should be able to shift left and right after you, that's why you don't tighten it all the way. You need to loosen this a little more, but still the other side. Now we got like a small like a flathead this small. So we're gonna remove this on both sides, and then we're just gonna attach this part to the hood, and then to make it easier so we don't scratch up the hood, and we're gonna just pop the hood right on. And you got the perfect size. Yep. I don't even have that. So you cannot lose this. Just put it like in a coin holder or something, but you always need that off so you could be able to pop, you know, pull the hood on and off. So just store it somewhere where you won't lose it. So now that that's off, you just face this up and it comes right off. Yep. So this is, so if the hood was the other way, this is that side. I mean, you could do this yourself now, but just grab one side and we'll flip it over. But you know, these, so now flip it straight up, and then put it inside the, you see where it goes. And then this in, and then just let it go. So now might kind of need the fenders on to be able to know to adjust it actually, but as far as this video, you guys will get the gist of installing. So I guess we could just tighten it. Where's the,
Push it down.
oh yeah.
Push it down and then.
So that's good, secure. And then we're just gonna tighten it. We don't have the fenders on, but you guys will be able to see, like, before you tighten yours, to make sure there's like no gap on the hood. You know, from the hood to the fender. So I got it. Now it's recording. I don't know why it cut off, but So tighten this front. We're probably gonna have to readjust this again when we put the fenders on, but for now, just for the purpose of the install.
Make sure to close this one. Yeah, see, that's the issue I have. I might just need to leave it how it was.
Need to push it in more.
You gotta, might have to leave it how it was.
And close. I wasn't just putting enough force on it. Alright, so that's pretty much how you install it. I'll just show them how to take it off. I mean, you don't really need two guys to do this now. This is why I think, you know, it could be a little expensive, but I think it's worth it for the price. So all you gotta do is lift it up straight up, and then you just pull it off. You see? The same thing for putting it back on. You could put one in. I mean, obviously two people is helpful, but you know, it's just easier with these quick release hood hinges. So just lock it in. You got your side in, and that's it. It's good now. So that's how you install it. Hope you guys found the video helpful.